Hi, my name's Brendan and I love food. This is my mum and this is my dad. And together, we're going to be making my favourite dish in the world, Timorese Meatballs. So we're going to make some Timorese Meatballs. So I think, what was it?
1 kilo.
Meat.
1 kilo of pork mince.
Pork mince.
What's this one?
Shrimp.
Dry
shrimp.
Dry shrimp, like 70 grams, 50 grams?
70 grams.
70 grams. 10 shallots. And then we've got eggs.
5 eggs.
5 eggs. Okay, let's go. Do you want this in?
You put it this one.
Yeah, so we're going to put the shrimp in there first. And then use a hand blender to dice it all up. You can add a splash of water to mix it easier. And now we add the shrimp. This is usually the case where I'm not allowed to help. Every time I help, I try and help, but then they banish me. Okay, I think that's done. And then just put it in the mince.
The mince.
So I think the dry shrimp adds like the umami-ness to it. That's probably why it's so good.
Isn't that what the MSG does?
MSG also does that too, yeah. And the shallots add the sweetness to it. Yeah, no one really knows about Timorese meatballs. It's like really like I feel like it's only a specific thing in like Timor and China, in Chinese Timorese. It's not really known anywhere around the world. Because it's not even similar to, like, it's kind of similar to Chinese meatballs, but it's not. I don't know. This is good.
Soy sauce.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And then fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Get up.
2 spoons. Little bit salt. Just half teaspoon salt.
Half teaspoon of salt.
And MSG.
And this is MSG, and this stuff adds the umami. How much?
Half teaspoon.
This is half teaspoon.
Sugar.
Sugar.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Look on what? After. Okay, so this is, okay, this comes
Then
out.
put 5 eggs.
5 eggs. These are hands of like chef hands. These are Chinese restaurant hands for like 30 years of experience. And give it a mix. And yeah, the egg kind of like binds it together. But the real binder is also the tapioca starch, which comes later.
Put it pepper.
The pepper. Right. Half teaspoon.
Put it.
Yep. Alright.
Did you eat this one growing up?
Yep, this is like my childhood favourite. I think my mum's known for this actually. Yeah, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a famous one.
Timorese meatball.
Yeah, everyone likes my mom's meatballs. Yeah, it's always like in family gatherings, we always have this one. Sometimes she like tempts me to come back home by making this for dinner. So I'm like, oh yeah, I'll come. Okay, MSG 좀 할게.
MSG?
Yeah, yung MSG 좀 할게.
MSG make it more tasty. Có hậu xịa.
Có
Có hậu xịa.
Oh, okay.
Cái này MSG một cái đồ giảm.
Oh yeah? Oh,
Sơ
okay.
chỉ mình giảm đấy.
I think that's a whole bag, which is what?
Yeah, hậu vậy.
500 grams? Yeah. 500 grams of tapioca starch. This household is more about feeling. There's no standard recipe in this household. Now we're going to start deep frying the batter and the mixture into like a wok full of oil. You can kind of use like canola oil or vegetable oil. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, she does this hand thing, which I never understand how to do it. Hold the meat and then you gotta like squeeze it, and then somehow you get a spoon to make the ball. I don't know how to do that. This is what I do. Can't help. So you want it to be like a nice kind of golden brown, like yeah, and that's kind of know when you're done. Hey, hell yeah.
Oh, well.
So these are Timorese meatballs. Usually you can have it with some rice, or you just have it as it is on its own. I just kind of have it on its own all the time.
Salad.
Salad, really?
You can put salad
I've never had
on the
salad.
side.
Cheers. Sure, struggle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good.
what's it more?
맛있지? 맛있지?
하고